Good morning and welcome to week 14 of the OBS Guided Study Group. This will be our last week. The coursework for this week includes reading 2 pages of text, pages 37 and 38 of the masterclass document, watching 3 videos with a total watch time of 18 minutes and 15 seconds. The subjects covered today are going to be OBS versus NVIDIA SHADOWPLAY, how to use the instant replay flashback recording, DVR in OBS, and live instant replay. And perhaps the most interesting to us is how to stream with OBS without a capture card. Add OBS overlays to PlayStation 4s or Xbox One. As usual, the week after this, April the 9th, there will be a live question and answer period to cover any of the week 14 coursework. And remember, this coming Monday, April the 2nd at 8 p.m. Central Time, there will be a live Q&A on the week 13 coursework. There's already a video up for that with the contents and everything. The full listing of coursework and related links will be down in the details below this video. Thanks, and we hope to see you there.